If you need to reset your password on Ally Invest, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. This guide will help you through the process step by step. Step 1. Visit the Ally Invest website. Go to the official Ally Invest website using your web browser. Make sure you are on the correct site to ensure your security. Step 2. Click on Login. Locate the Login button on the homepage. Click on it to proceed to the login page where you will find the option to reset your password. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter your email address or username associated with your account. Fill in the required information and submit it to receive further instructions. Step 5. Follow the email instructions. Check your email for a password reset link from Ally Invest. Click on the link and follow the instructions provided to create a new password for your account. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Ally Invest account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Ally Invest customer support for further assistance.